behave. You two babies. Hi guys. I don't feel like setting up my tripod, so I just wanted to say hi. I'm just got a little haul to show you. I had to get a router, so I just got a Netgear router, and so I gotta hook that up. That ought to be interesting. And I got these little sheer curtains from this little window in my garage. I got myself some pistachios, and I already ate half the bag. Cute little kitchen towel, extra virgin olive oil, and I got myself some real lemon juice. Some stacks, talk about eating healthy, huh? Some shake and feed for my plants out on my porch. I went to the Dollar Tree. I got this for my grill, and I got some zipper seal sandwich bags and some salt-free seasoning, and I got some of this utterly smooth hand cream. It's so good for your hands. Then I got these little clips that I wear in my hair to keep hair back. I got an antibacterial cap with my new toothbrush, and then I got some vitamin E caplets, Worcestershire sauce, and I got a little scrub brush so I can scrub my deck. It's that composite, whatever it is. It's not wood. It's got like a little bit of mildew on it, and I want to scrub it and wash it all off. I got a little care package today. I'm going to open it for you guys, and I got this from a wonderful subscriber named Sharon. And I'm just opening it for the first time, and you guys are seeing it. It just came in the mail. This is what it looks like. Look at how pretty. Thank you so much. I don't even know what's in here yet, but thank you, Sharon. Look at this clip. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. The ruby slippers. It's a paper clip. I'm going to open this together. Oh my God. Crazy Go Nuts. The superfood snack oatmeal cookies. All natural gourmet walnuts. And then we got banana all natural gourmet walnuts. Sharon, this was so sweet of you. Thank you so much. You might have just turned me on to a new snack here. And this is the chocolate espresso all natural walnuts. Thank you so much. I want to show you what I picked up today at T.J.Maxx. I found this little pan, and it is a 2-quart stock pot, stainless steel with a glass tempered lid. I just thought this was the cutest little thing. It's got a lifetime warranty, oven safe, dishwasher safe. I figured this would be good for soups or whatever. I mean, if I want to make macaroni and cheese or boil vegetables. And it goes with my Cuisinart set of pots and pans. Same finish, everything. And it was only $9.99. Then I found this little purse, and it was regularly $59, and I got it for $44. And it's by Margot. It's embossed right here on the leather. These are so cute. My daughter has a purse like this, and I thought, this is so cute. You can throw your stuff in the middle, 2 zippered sides. The other side's the same thing. I'm going to take the stuffing out of it, but isn't that cute? And the leather on it, it's beautiful leather, and it smells, you know how leather smells so nice. But I thought, that is perfect. And it's adjustable, so you can put it over your shoulder. I wanted like a crossbody bag. I bought this little thing for my cell phone, and like I can put my phone like this when I'm talking to my daughter in Sweden. Oh, I don't have it out far enough. Oh, there we go. And like I can talk to her on FaceTime. I ordered 2 Scentsy things from Paulette Dubeck. She was having a Scentsy party on her Facebook. And so I ordered this Alpine Meadow. I have one burning right now. I'll show it to you. I have it in my bathroom. And then at T.J.Maxx, I found this rug. It's the Harvest Collection. This was only $29, regularly $40. And there's my little Scentsy warmer in my bathroom. It's like a gray, and it's got the little starfish on it. Oh, and here's a picture that I bought from my neighbors, the 2 artists, and I had them do the egg, like a robin's egg blue. And I have another one for my daughter that I had made for my daughter Jen.